How to gain followers on TikTok fast. In this video, I'll show you how to gain legitimate followers on TikTok without engaging in any follow-for-follow schemes. Here's an example of an experiment I conducted on my TikTok account, where I went from 70 followers to 334 in just 7 days. Normally, I only experience a weekly increase of 5 followers because I'm not famous. I typically upload at least one random unboxing video or review per day. So, how did I achieve this? I used TikTok's promotion feature, which only cost me 175 pesos or $3 for a week. Let me share some data from my previous promotions. As you can see, not only did I gain more than 150 followers, but I also received 2,300 views for that single video. I conducted experiments with 2 videos, and I believe it's safe to say that an average of 120 to 150 followers per week can be obtained with a $3 boost. Now, let me demonstrate how to boost a video. First, go to your profile, then select Creator Tools, and tap on Promote. In the Create tab, choose your goal. You have 2 options, Boost Account and Gain Sales. Since our goal is to increase followers, select Boost Account and then choose the More Followers option. If desired, you can set a custom audience, but personally, I prefer using the default audience. I set the lowest budget and a duration of 7 days. You can see the estimated video views. Proceed to pay and confirm and wait a couple of minutes for approval. And there you have it. Watch your followers grow day by day using this method. If you wish, you can increase your budget and experiment with it, but personally, I'll stick to the lowest budget and allocate it to multiple videos instead. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you find this helpful, you can follow me for more tips like this.